Okay, so regarding my issue with the xtool F1, I have here a computer which is not connected at the moment. I have the xtool which is turning on, and it's white at the moment. So it's white, but I don't have any control whatsoever. See, it's starting to connect, but on the PC I don't have anything, so I don't know why the color changed, but whatever. It's supposed to have the xtool here, and it's supposed to have the laser preview here, but it doesn't show it. Yeah, so nothing is working. Oh, when I click, it changes the color. It's like it's on, but all this part is not working. So the button here, the stop button, works, and on this part, well, it's not moving at all. So what I can try to do is to plug it to the PC. Yeah, and we'll see if it's possible to connect, but there is nothing here on the device list. See, cannot find the device, and after a while this white ring will turn red, because yeah, see, because I think it knows that it's failing up there, so it's putting the machine on default or something. And also when I started on again, you don't hear the sound, the initialization sound, and you have no light for quite some time, maybe a minute or 2 minutes. I've tried to replace the key, the security key, but it doesn't show anything. I've tried to disconnect this extender, but it doesn't change a thing. And sometimes the machine come back to life. It's like there is something inside that triggers a malfunction or something. Yesterday, when I was moving the machine slightly, I could see it turn it on, and I could hear the mirror from the laser working, but it only worked for a few seconds. I will try again to wobble it a little bit, but no, there is nothing doing here. So yeah, now it's white, but still no control. And you see, this one makes a reaction, so it means that I think it sends the order to that part, but because this should be the preview or something. And on this side it's the same thing. You can refresh, but you don't have the device. And when you go on to Wi-Fi, you can see the device, but when I click on it, it cannot successfully connect to the machine. See, connection failed. So yeah, pretty frustrating. I think I've tried everything. Plus I've been a long time with a person from the support service from you guys. I need this machine to start my shop that is starting getting orders for the slates I'm doing. And yeah, I was thinking about buying a P2 with all the extensions, but after this, I don't know. Please help me to solve this quickly. Oh, I hope you saw that. It was very quick, and nothing here. Start again. No, I will leave it off for a few seconds. Maybe I can try to unplug here, turn it on. Yeah, it's really off. Right, back in, starting fresh. Yeah, I could hear the fan working just a bit and stopped working. and when it stopped working, the LED stopped working too. So yeah, I'm see, I'm just moving it slightly. It's turning back on and off. Whoa. Maybe I can put the light here. If I move these parts, no, it's not doing it again. I've turned it off and on. Yeah, it was turning a bit, but that's it. It's still on, no laser. This time I have control, I have laser. But for how much time? So yeah, please help.